I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the app is installed and signed in so your files sync. Open OneDrive or Google Drive, navigate to the workbook, and tap the file to load it. This prevents conflicting copies. Once done, enable editing mode, tap Edit or the pencil icon so you can change cells. Make sure autosave is on, that way revisions persist. If prompted, choose Mobile or Simplified View. Mobile gives touch-friendly controls, while Full View shows more features. You tap a cell and type directly or use the formula bar for complex input, because the bar gives more room for long formulas. For calculations, start with an equals sign and use familiar functions like SUM or IF. Mobile supports these the same way. Once you enter a formula, drag the fill handle to copy it across cells to save time. Also, use the toolbar to insert rows or columns and long press headers to move or resize them. This keeps structure intact. You finish by reviewing totals and checking formulas for errors. Tap a cell with an error to see the explanation so you can fix references or parentheses. Make sure autosave completed and that the files sync to the cloud to avoid data loss. If something goes wrong, force close the app, clear cache, and reopen the file. If that fails, restore a previous version from version history. Keep backups and avoid simultaneous edits on multiple devices to prevent conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.